Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use clipping mask in Photoshop. Open Photoshop, open your image. Let's scale it. Okay. I want to put it into a circle. Let's create. Okay, let's use this one. And press shift to make it a circle. Okay, like this one. Okay. The frame. Okay. Let it be black. Then select this layer, layer 1, and make it above and put it here, and let's make this one bigger, like this one. Okay, and this one. Okay, and okay. Let's create. Okay, then press right click on your mouse, go create clipping mask. Move it like whatever you want. I want it like this. Then go to ellipse, and also you can make it as a group.